Hi guys, so right now I'm gonna be doing my headbands and clips collection. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, I hang my headbands and clips to the computer because it's so old. First, I've got this Mickey Mouse. My aunt gave me this because I love Minnie Mouse. When we went to Disneyland, I wear this all the time. Love it so much. And it looks like polka dots. Polka dots, polka dots. And it's black, black. It's kinda nice. Sorry. I got this polka dot hairband when it's bending. It's bending wire. You put like this. And you rotate yourself button. So, next, I've got tiger, tiger, or leopard. Yeah. Next, I got plain ones for thing. Oh, for jogging. I also love them too. No, 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 no. I've got Angry Birds. My cousin gave me this. I don't like this for younger kids. But I'm gonna be 12 September. Wait guys. So next I've got wait a minute guys. I got this hairband. This is when I was gonna be 9. I mean 10. I've got this hairband for my friend Nelsie. So shout out Nelsie, love ya. Love it. Okay. Next, I've got this bow. So, yeah. Next. Gosh, I love this rabbit. So soft. And it's a hairband. Yeah. So, wait guys. Next, I've got this, and it's butterflies and flowers and friends. Oh. Oh, hold on, guys. I'm gonna get something. Just wait. Okay. Next, I got this hairband. This is mine. So, it's purple, and it's, oh my gosh, oh my god. Oopsie.
Walang hinangad kundi ang kabutihan ng inyong mga anak. At ito po para sa pasyal na ibibigay ng anak ninyo para mapacheck up na rin po yung mata at yung tenga ninyo at para po sa inyo at makatulong sa inyong pamilya. Apat kayo, kayo na lang yung magkakasama-sama at walang tumutulong kahit na sino. Ito po,
Next, I
makapag-umpisa po kayo.
got plain, got pink, plain ones. Not a lot of pink. I don't like pink.
45,000 people. Makapagsalita si nanay. Teacher na lang, teacher.
You like my pose? If you like my pose, like in the description box. So next I've got the, oh my gosh, I've got this for my aunt. My classmate also have this. And it's Riva. Oh my gosh. We have the same. She said, oh Faith, where do you see my headband? No, I can't see it. I have my own. So, last but not least, got this, and it's all of my clips. I got my clips first. I've got little of my clips pillow, my back. So, I've got this green white, because I know this is kinda cute. Get this in brown, but my own. This is for jogging. Also, this is for jogging. So next is for my clips. First of all, this ugly bobby pin, and it's cracking. Next, I've got this. Got this too, because it's cute. Next, I've got this big clip. I love this for my hair. So, my god, you will die because it's so cute. It's so cute. The hair. Oh my god, it's so cute. And it's palette. Look at that. It is as a feather. And it's like a boating, and it has my favorite color all the time. Purple! I mean, violet. So, yeah. So. Yeah, bloopers. Bloopers! So, clip. Yeah, there's my clip. My bitch. clip for my friend called Cherry Rose. Thank you. Shout out, please. Next, I've got this purple happy. Yeah, bye. That is all. Bye, guys. Love ya.